Yo, 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 Aussie Paul here, your favorite influencer. I'm an influencer here in the USA. This is, we went to Lislie Gulch, which is a beautiful place in northeast Oregon. It's the deserts of the Owyees. And the Owyees were called the Owyees because of some guy who was from Hawaii. He decided to bring sheep here and died in the process of trying to raise his sheep. So better fact check that, because I was also told it was an Indian name too, so could be all wrong, who knows. Anyway, welcome to my little video. This is just a little introduction. This was probably halfway down the track, but right at the start we encountered some mule deer. So I got on my drone. Yeah, I didn't really want to disturb them too much, so I got as close as I can till they saw my drone and I backed off. You can tell they're mule deer because they have big ears and they look kind of like a mule. Maybe there should be donkey deer. Anyway, where there's mule, there should be cougar. I can't see any cougars there, obviously. That's where we come from. This track is only like an hour and a half out of Nampa, which is a suburb of Boise. So we go down the little track. The road was pretty good then. The drone's on to follow me. Wanted to see if it's working. First kind of time I've ever done that. Got the Toyota Tacoma petrol, V6 petrol. It's pretty good. Luckily, they gave me a free upgrade because I wanted a Nissan Rogue. Yeah, I was driving down, didn't realise I nearly clipped that tree, which would have been fun trying to get the drone out of that tree. But we would have still been there today. And then I realised it was going to hit this rock on the right-hand side there, and I stopped the car, just stopped the drone in time. Of overhead shots. There we are, having a USA lunch in the back of the ute, the pickup, the tailgate barbecue they normally have, I think it's called. Some beautiful rock formations behind us. So there's a lot of rock there. It's pretty spectacular. And there's no one here, which is the best part about it. We saw like 2 cars. It was a weekday. There's some more rocks. This was given 1-star review by someone on Google Maps because they said all it was rocks. Which is fair enough if you don't like rocks, and you probably wouldn't like this. There's some dirt there and some grass, a couple of trees, a bit of shrubbery, some sagebush. A lot of this stuff's sagebush in the mountain there. Yeah, this is spectacular. I got get a bit close to my drone there. Anyway, this part here I was supposed to delete. Editing, oh, it's so hard. Boring too. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.